Video, X Generation's Mamrubi take bedroom matters to streets. A video of a couple filmed while K.S.S. Ang and T0 Uk. Ang passionately in public has surfaced. The couple was standing in front of a shop near a road when they were filmed. They seems not to mind that people are watching. In the video they can be seen K.S.S. Ang passionately, while the man also lifts the woman's SK.T dollar to put him hand in the underwear. People try to separate them but the man is having none of it. It is not yet clear where and when the video was taken. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.